Did I just catch you having fun? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is currently like 9. Oh my gosh. It's 9:17 right now. We going to the gym.
We'll be up like 3 hours ago.
Okay, we up now. Having an athlete as a boyfriend is no joke. Be careful what you pray for. Okay? Cause girl, I'm tired. Like, I was sleeping so good, y'all. Like, so good, so good.
I promise you, if I got dressed and you was in the bed, you was gonna be so mad this morning.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
I'm gonna pick you right up out the bed.
Oh my goodness.
Please fasten passenger seatbelt.
Miss Girl, we going uphill. We going uphill. Relax. We're going to the gym in my complex. It's like literally right here. So for her to be blinking is outrageous. Well, she's doing her job. Let me not do that. Today is currently December 31st. The end of the year, y'all. Today is the last freaking day. Today is the last day of 2021. I could not be more than happy because 2021 was some BS. It was straight BS. 2022, we're going into there into like new blessings, new opportunities, new incomes, all of that. We're here. He's gonna kill me. We love that for me.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this cloud. It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do.
Drip ain't nan. Y'all, I just threw on some. So I got my Arkansas State pants, hoodie, a long sleeve shirt under here. He got on, you know, his DR drill. Yeah. He looking all cute and stuff, and then there's me.
I just do something wrong, bro.
I'm sorry.
I left my shoes back in Arkansas, though.
Well, let's get ready for me to die. I haven't worked out in so long, so this is some. Y'all, this man just said we're not stopping till 12. It's 9. What do you mean?
Exactly what you're thinking. You want my body.
What about an hour workout? What happened to that, sir?
Since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
I'm feeling the chips, y'all, and everything else of stuff that I ate.
Don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you? Chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I didn't record as much in there because I was dying. We did a lot of stuff in there though. I haven't worked out. I think what he's failing to realize is I haven't worked out in like 5 months.
What she's failing to realize, working out is not even supposed to be easy in the first place.
But it gets easier. So.
Easier. It's not supposed to be easy.
It's not easy.
It's not supposed to be.
I feel so bad, y'all. Like,
Isn't that bitch tripping?
first of all, I got dizzy. Like, I was seeing stars. I feel like I throw up. Like, I still feel like I throw up. It's not good. It's not looking good for me. So what we're finna do is either we're finna take a shower and go to the mall, or we're finna take a shower and go to sleep. So yeah, I'll update y'all on what we do.
Please fasten driver seatbelt. Please fasten passenger
It's
seatbelt.
between those things, those 2 things. If not, it's over with, and that's dead on that. Okay, y'all, so we back home. Now we're gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna wrap my hair and stuff. I can straighten out my hair later for New Year's.
what you gonna say.
Oh, hi. We're back home. I already said that. I'm gonna wrap my hair after we get out the shower. Or should I wrap it before we get in the shower? Either way it goes, I'm gonna wrap my hair. Stop.
My bad.
So I'm gonna wrap my hair and then.
No.
I'm gonna figure out that. I'm not gonna figure out an outfit. I'm gonna go to sleep after I take the shower.
She said, well, it doesn't look like you need the extra McRib.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the boat, all night, working in the middle of the sun. I wanna ride the boat, all night, working in the middle of the sun.
I'm getting work tonight. I'll repeat it.
Hey!
Good morning, guys. Well, good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock now. It's 3:08. And now we're gonna pick out like outfits to wear. Sorry. We're gonna pick out outfits to wear for New Year's today. I'll show y'all what I pick out. But other than that, that's all we're doing right now. We just woke up. The nap was great, but I want a little bit more. We're at the mall. Fit ain't nothing. I ain't lying. Fit is not nothing. We finna come in here and look for my birthday stuff. So excited. If I find something, I really don't need to spend no money on like finding something to wear for tonight because we're staying in the house. We're going to my mom's house. But girl, I just want to take pictures and be like, Happy New Year. All the cutesy stuff, you know? Anyways, we're here now. So.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
So y'all, we was finna get some shoes. I didn't record because girl, I was just busy. So guys, we got my birthday outfit. We just got some shoes, but the shoes, y'all, you cannot hear me. We got my clothes that I'm wearing for my birthday. Well, my outfit that I'm wearing for my birthday for the dinner party. It was gonna look like we was looking for some shoes or whatever, but they didn't have my size in the shoe that I wanted. So apparently we gotta come back. He said come back and see if there's like another location with the shoe. That's what we're gonna do. So now we gotta go get something to eat because I'm hungry. We didn't eat all day. Then from there, I want some food. Where did we come in at, y'all? We're lost. So we're lost in Macy's trying to get to the car. Now we finna go get something to eat, go home, figure out what we finna wear for New Year's, girl. We don't even know that. Y'all, we gave up, so we just started walking outside. Just hopefully we get to the car, cause yeah, we literally walked up and down the Macy's 5 times, like for real. It was embarrassing. Okay, y'all, so right now we're at Wicked Wings. We've been traveling around the globe to find some wings, y'all. Like, it's freaking crazy, like how it happened. Now we're just waiting for the wings to come out, and then we're gonna go home. It's already 6:51. About to be 7 o'clock. It's basically 7 o'clock. I'm an hour away from my mama house, so it's looking like we're not gonna get there till like 9. For the most part, that's all that's been going on. We just been trying to find some wings place. Like, the first wing stop that we went to was like, there's a 2-hour wait.
Boy, if you don't get
Like, girl, bye. We know that it wasn't no two-hour wait, so we left. Then we went to the American Deli. The American Deli closed. Now we're here, so I'm just so hungry. I didn't eat nothing all day, so. Okay, y'all, so we're back home now. Finally got the food, so what we're finna do is finna eat and then get ready to go to my mama's house. I'm so tired. So without further ado, I'm finna eat. We are now done getting dressed or whatever, so I just cute flannel on. So crop top flannel. These navy blue cargos with these sneaks. I'm gonna just iron my hair, get ready, do makeup, and stuff like that, and we can talk. We can talk besties because we have not talked in so long. What y'all been up to? Clearly, as you can tell, I dyed my hair. I was tired of the black. Honestly, I wasn't tired of the black. I was just more of in a state where I wanted some change. Like, I just wanted a new appearance, I guess. And I don't know if I'm gonna do this side part. If I wanna do this side part. Ooh. Maybe I should just do a middle part. Well, I don't know. The first semester of college is over. We're just off. I finished pretty good. Well, I finished good. Like, I'm kind of excited for the next semester, but like, I just don't want to do the work, honestly. But who does? Like, who really wants to sit down? Who really wants to sit down and be like, let me do some work, you know? Unless it's like for a brand or something. But for my brand, I'll do that all day. I don't really have questions to do. I don't know what is that for real.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle, sun. I wanna
Ooh, I'm like super late. I told them I was gonna be there like 8. It's 8:45. We 30 minutes. I feel like the most annoying thing when you like looking for something and you can't find it. Bring him on. Oh girl. I'm super late, y'all. We look cute. I can't see without my glasses, so I had to put my glasses on. We're about to go to my mommy's house. Oh, did you still want to get fireworks?
Yeah.
Okay, we need to hurry up. I'm done getting ready. The front, please don't mind because I don't have like the little mini curling iron. That's at my mama's house. This is what it's giving. Well, I look a little grown. Ooh. We're at the fireplace. I said fireplace. The fireworks place to get fireworks for tonight that we can pop. I really hate masks because they be messing up my lips and I hate that. I hate it. Oh my god, I almost just broke my ankle. We got the fireworks for tonight. I promise you, I've never done fireworks a day in my life, so this is something new. Period. But now we're on the way to my mom's house. My mom's house from here is like an hour. We won't get there until like 10, so I'll talk to you guys when I get to me Madre's house. We made it to me mommy's house. And now we're waiting for them to open up.
I need to go pop that Profen.
Yeah, he got a headache and was just blasting music. Don't get it?
Gotta do
Don't
what I gotta
understand?
You gotta go to the bathroom to find a way out.
You ugly.
Something amazing.
Hey, my vlog.
Hey, gosh, she got me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Y'all, it's dark out here, but
Man, just don't hit my car.
This bitch gonna keep on shooting up. Like.
He over here trying to figure out how to light the fireworks. Y'all, I don't know nothing about fireworks because I've never done it before. It's my first year doing it. So we're just gonna wait until he lights it.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion.
And use the right 3 lanes to keep right onto State Route 401 toward Marietta.
I promise
Clearly it's the next day. I'm at the gym currently. It's like 1 something. He's working out. I'm not working out, but because I got these shoes on. I didn't record the rest of the night last night because I was in really bad spirits and I didn't want to do that. Coming back today, now that everything calmed down or whatever. Yesterday, basically when I was leaving my mom's house, my tire popped. I got my tire fixed today. We got home like at 4 o'clock in the morning, so it was a lot going on. I just wanted to come out here with better vibes and stuff and end the video. So thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video into 2022 by 2021. Hope you guys loved this video and you have a great year, girl. I'll see you later.